No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, enough with the nonsense. Let's get into the charts. Today I'm going to be doing the longer term time frame for you guys. I haven't done it this week, so I might as well do it because it is a slow Saturday. So on the daily time frame, we can see we are still in this massive uptrend from the bear market lows at $15,000. We have a 5-wave move in yellow, as you can see here, with the 4 being incompleted. If we zoom in, we can see that the 4 has possibly an ABC structure targeting this yellow box at 57,149 with an invalidation at 37,700. I don't think we get anywhere close to this, but this is a possibility. So on this scenario, there are 2 possibilities. This is one of them. Another possibility is that we are not yet done with this wave 3, and this is a wave 4 of the wave 3. So we would have a count like this in the wave 3, followed by another 4, 5. Now that is a possibility, but we'll track it as it comes. On the more zoomed in time frames on the 4-hourly chart, we can see our main scenario is still this ABC structure to the downside, with the 5-wave diagonal in A, a typical B, and a 5-wave diagonal in C. This is an expanding diagonal, so I will zoom in for it. We can see that on this hourly time frame, we have 3-wave structures forming a diagonal. This 4 is possibly in, and we are now seeing the A, B, and C of the larger degree wave 5. This plays out quite nicely on our 15-minute time frame too. At the moment, we can see a nice structure in wave B finishing as an A, B, C with a WXY in C. But the B wave is probably in for now, and we are now possibly seeing this play out. As it is a weekend, I've marked out a diagonal just because I doubt we are going to see impulsive structures to the downside. So from this B wave top, we see this one in a WXY, a zigzag family structure. So instantly, if it's a zigzag family structure, we think of diagonals. So zigzag family structure, then zigzag family structure targeting around this yellow box here at $59,100. We should then see a little bit of a move down, move up, and another move down, completing this green wave 1. After that, we should see the 2, and next week possibly impulsive reactions to the downside. This is scenario 1 that could happen. Scenario 2 at the moment is this one here, with the B wave being incomplete, and we still move up in that B wave. It is also possible that the wave 3 is not yet in, as on the other chart we marked this as the wave 3. The wave 3 might not yet be in, and this could be the A, B, and C in the 3rd wave. But on the most bullish scenario at the moment, we have this structure. This is the 3rd scenario. So we have an 1, 2, and 3 starting. In the purple wave count, we have a leading diagonal, and then a move downside should follow. We possibly have this B almost complete now in the wave 2 of the purple. An A wave down, B wave up, and then a C wave down into this target box here. It's possible that this is done, and this is a 1-2-1-2 off to the races. But I don't think this is probable, as I do see this as the lowest probability scenario at the moment. Other things to talk about, the Elliott Wave channel, still to this day we have not hit this middle line. This middle line I think is going to act as a very nice resistance for a bigger move up, targeting that $85,000 level. This middle line at the moment sits at 51,243, but will move up as the week progresses. On a fair value gap perspective, we have still the weekly fair value gap not filled out, as you can see on the chart. This fair value gap acted as resistance, support here, and we have now closed a candle within this fair value gap, so the likelihood of it closing is very high. There is also an order block here at around $51,000. That is possible good resistance for that bigger move to the upside. Now for trade possibilities in this region. At the moment on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see that a low has not been made at the bottom at $51,000. But I think there is another trade possibility here on the 4-hourly. We can see that this wave 1 should finish somewhere next week, maybe even the Sunday. Possible closing that CME gap with this wave 2, and this target range would be a good area to enter. Wherever this one finishes, targeting that 0.5 to the 0.786. On the hourly time frame, I think a short from this 1-to-1 level at the moment is quite a good short. Even from where we are now is quite a good short, with a stop loss sitting at the B wave high. This would target out those lower areas, closing the trade at the bottom of the wave 5. This would be the same trade for the 15-minute time frame. But that's all for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you want extra content, please join the Discord in the description, where I post intraday updates and all other updates to do with crypto. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. But it's been MaxTradesCrypto. Cheers, guys.